Welcome back, squad. Today we're going to talk about how to fix your Dixicoin masternode. Now, I know it's been a little while since things have been up and running, and it has been a little bit of a pain, but we have a solid fix for you guys today. So let's dive into that, and we'll go into the first step. So first off, what you're going to want to do is download the files here that you see in the Dixicoin Discord announcement. I'll have these links within the description of the video. You'll want to download your blocks and your chain state from the mega.nz link, and then you're also going to download this peers.dat file, okay? And after you've done that, you'll have a page that looks like this. So you'll have this archive, and you can use software like WinRAR to open up this file. So right here, and I will just move it over so you guys can see quickly. It'll look like this, and then you'll want to extract these files onto your desktop. And how you can do that is you can just drag and drop them over, okay? Now, I have a folder here, Dixicoin, with my blocks, chain state, and my peers file. These are the three files, or two folders in one file that you'll download and you'll replace in here. So we're going to delete all of these files except for the ones that I leave behind. And it's very important that you save these files, okay? Also make sure that before you delete your files, copy your wallet.dat and save it somewhere, okay? It's incredibly important. Also make sure that in your dixicoin.conf that you have no ad nodes in there at all, okay? You can have staking, that's fine, but just save that and leave that the way it is, okay? Now what you're gonna do is you're going to copy these files right over to here in your Dixicoin roaming folder, okay? Now how you're going to get there is you're going to use %appdata%, okay? And that is going to take you to your folder. So you're going to see really quickly here, if I do %appdata%, I'm going to get to this folder here, and you're going to find your Dixicoin folder, okay? So here's our Dixicoin folder. And this is where you're going to copy all of those files. Now, once they're copied there, you can start up your wallet and it'll start to synchronize. So I'm just going to bring it up now and drag it over so you guys can check it out. Okay, so there we have it. And it'll start synchronizing to the correct blockchain at this point in time. Now, I'm going to just fast forward until it's done synchronizing. Okay guys, so now our wallet is completely synchronized, it's up, we're good to go, and we're ready to send some coins. Now, if you do see synchronization failed in the bottom left corner here, just know that you can restart the wallet and that error will go away and your wallet will function properly. So you should be all set at this point in time. You should have all your Dixicoin and you should be able to send it to CryptoBridge back and forth, and you shouldn't have any other issues. If you do experience any issues, feel free to contact the team in the Dixicoin Discord or leave a comment on the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and as always, stay regular.